Good morning, everyone. My name is DAR Wong, and I am a veteran market investor for the last 30 over years. Welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, we shall share with you one very important market opinion, and it could be a stock market, it could be a CFD, it could be an FX or options, or it can be just any commodity that come from any part of the world. So don't forget to log on to us on every Monday morning. Watch us, and all you need is just 10 minutes. Stay tuned, and I shall be right back. Good morning to all people. It's OTOP time again, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. All right, it's a Monday morning on the 5th June, year 2023, and this is the OTOP series for episode 144, and we are coming to 144 episode on this Monday morning as usual. We're going to give you a short update before we move on to the recommendation on our market opinions for this week. Right, last week we had some good optimistic news in the market. On Friday, Dow Jones closed with a gains of 701 points. All right, 701 as you can see here. All right, closing price at 33,762. S&P was up 61 points. Closing price 4282, while the Nasdaq was up 139 points on closing at a price of 13,240. And the reason for these triple indexes moving up was, well, first of all, the debt ceiling on the US has been finally agreed between the Senate, all right, and it's going to be passed to the president's desk in the White House to be signed, all right, and this debt ceiling raise will last for 2 years with a cap on spending, all right, details to be released, while the non-farm payroll in the month of May, all right, was up 339,000. As you can see here, is much more than expected, and well, people are looking at a resurgence in the US economy, but how long it will last, nobody knows about it. But temporarily, at least, is putting a lift on the US stock market, and everything looks good. All right, the gold prices came off. Well, it's because of a stronger US dollar. All right, whether it's long term or short term, but the stronger dollar recovery on a Friday night back to 104 in the dollar index has actually pushed down the gold prices, and closing price was 1964. All right, US dollars 1,964 per ounce, while silver prices closed at 23 US dollar 69 cents per ounce. Well, the crude oil prices was still hovering, all right, probably trading in the range this week again between 68 US dollars up to 73 US dollars per barrel. All right, closing price on Friday was 71.87, and with a little bit of gains at $1.77. Well, this week we are not expecting any big news because the debt ceiling has been over, all right, and everything will go back to market calmness, and most probably the next big things we're going to expect will be on the 13th and 14th June, all right, which is going to be next week, and that will be the FOMC meeting, all right, the FOMC meeting, which is the 4th time in the year of 2023, and we are expecting no rate hike and no actions, all right, so, but it is still a big event coming. Okay, so last week in the OTOP 143, we talked about this American insurance company called AIA trading in Hong Kong Stock Exchange with a stock code of 1299. All right, if you are holding on this counter, the recommendation is continue to hold, because last week for 5 days, all right, regardless of what price that you have gone in, if you had done that, all right, the bottom was 75 Hong Kong dollars and bounced back. Friday closing price was 78 Hong Kong dollars, and this week we are looking at a continual up jump. All right, probably we are looking at $80 for this 1299. All right, so hold on to these stocks for another 1 week while we observe. Probably it can be another 2 weeks. All right, so this week is going to be Hong Kong stock again in the OTOP 144, okay, and this is for the date 5th June year 2023. We are again going to pick another insurance related company, which is a healthcare company. All right, so let's take a look at the Hong Kong stocks, and the stock code is, well, 1833. Ping An Healthcare and Technology Company, stock code 1833, as you can see here. All right, there was a jump, in fact, on 2 consecutive days, on last Thursday, Friday, before the weekend close, and the momentum just turned into positive. All right, and we are looking at these stocks probably climb up back to a double top at 22 or 23 Hong Kong dollars this week. Okay, and pretty good with the momentum, very fresh in the market. All right, looking at the 4-hour time scale, well, temporarily we are looking at probably a little bit on sideways, but the uptrend is still in good position and good momentum. All right, that's on the 4-hour chart, and let's take a look at the month chart. All right, on the overall, I think the market prices are quite low. Okay, and on the midterm, long term, well, it's not too bad to pick. Regardless you're going to hold for 1 week, 1 month, or 6 months, because prices are pretty low. Okay, and considering the high was about 150 Hong Kong dollars, that was in year 2021. Okay, let's take a look at the week chart here. All right, week chart also just about to turn up last week. All right, we have got more rooms to go. Midterm, probably, as I mentioned, on a weekly basis, is going to be $22 Hong Kong dollars. All right, short term, and the midterm, probably we are looking at 30 to 35 Hong Kong dollars. Well, in 2 or 3 months to come, before the October. All right, so 1833 is the recommendation this week by our market opinions for OTOP 144, and that's for 5th June year 2023. Stay tuned, come back to us, and don't forget to share this video. Okay, just lift our little finger, like it, and share it. All right, we shall be back next week, and stay tuned.